Namaste to all. I am Dr. Someshwar Pirajabhale, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Srimati G.G. Khadse College, Muktayanagar. In the last lecture 1.1, we saw a type of mixtures, then what is meant by solution. After that, we saw a types of solutions.
In the today's lecture, we will see different ways of expressing the concentration of solution.
We know that a composition of solution can be described by expressing its concentration. So the question arises that what is meant by concentration? Concentration of solution may be defined as the amount of solute present in the given quantity of the solution is known as concentration of that solution. This concentration can be described either qualitatively or quantitatively. For example, qualitatively we can simply say that the solution is dilute, which means relatively very small quantity of solute is present, or the solution is concentrated, which means that relatively large quantity of solute is present. म्हणजेच आपण काय म्हणू शकतो त्याला, ज्या सोल्युशनमध्ये अतिशय कमी प्रमाणात सोल्यूट अवेलेबल असतो त्या सोल्युशनला आपण काय म्हणतो, डायल्यूट सोल्युशन म्हणतो. आणि ज्या सोल्युशनमध्ये जास्त प्रमाणात सोल्यूट असतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड सोल्युशन असं म्हणतो. बट it is not a proper way to express the concentration of solution. For the better to express concentration of solution quantitatively, in the quantitatively we can express the concentration of solution in a different ways, like normality, then molarity, then molality, then mole fraction, then mass percentage, then volume percentage, and lastly mass by volume percentage. We will see that one by one. In the first type of solution, in the first type, that is the type normality. Normality is the number of gram equivalent of the solute dissolved per liter of the solution. It is denoted by a capital letter, capital N. Mathematically it can write normality in bracket capital N is equal to number of gram equivalent of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. Thus the unit of normality are gram equivalent per liter. Gram equivalent of the solute can be calculated in a following method. Therefore gram equivalent of solute is equal to mass of the solute divided by equivalent mass of that solute. This method has one disadvantage: it changes with temperature because expansion or contraction of liquid can be occurs with the temperature. For the sake of simplicity, we take one example: how to prepare one normal oxalic acid solution. For that, we should know the molecular weight of oxalic acid. So, molecular weight of oxalic acid is 126 gram. Therefore, we can calculate a equivalent weight of the oxalic acid. Therefore, equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight divided by basicity of acid. We know that a basicity of oxalic acid is 2. Therefore, 126 divided by 2 is equal to 63 gram. Therefore, 63 gram of oxalic acid crystal dissolved in a minimum quantity of water and then it diluted up to the 1 liter mark. In this way, we can prepare a one normal oxalic acid solution. In a next method, concentration can be expressed in a molarity in bracket capital M. Molarity of solution is the number of moles of the solute dissolved per liter of the solution. म्हणजेच मोलारिटी मध्ये आपण काय करतो, ज्या पदार्थाचा आपल्याला सोल्यूशन बनवायचा आहे तो पदार्थ आपण काय करतो, त्याचे नंबर ऑफ मोल्स घेतो, कशाचे, सोल्यूटचे, आणि ते कशामध्ये डिसॉल्व करतो आपण, पर लिटर ऑफ दी सोल्यूशन. म्हणजे एखाद्या पदार्थाचा तुम्हाला जर 1 मोलार सोल्यूशन बनवायचं असेल तर तुम्हाला त्याचं 1 मोल त्याचं वेट घेऊन ते तुम्हाला 1 लिटर सोल्यूशनमध्ये सॉल्व्हेंटमध्ये त्याला काय करावं लागेल, डिसॉल्व करावं लागेल. It is represented as capital M. Mathematically, it can be represented as molarity is equal to moles of solute divided by volume of solution in a liter. Thus, the unit of molarity is mole per liter. The moles of solute can be calculated as moles of solute is equal to mass of solute divided by molar mass of the solute or molecular weight of the solute. Like normality, this method also one disadvantage: it changes with temperature. For the sake of simplicity, we will take one example how to prepare a 1 molar oxalic acid solution. To prepare a 1 molar oxalic acid solution, we should know a molecular weight of oxalic acid. We know that the molecular weight of oxalic acid is 126 gram. Therefore, we take a 126 gram of oxalic acid crystal and then dissolved in half liter or minimum amount of water and then diluted up to the 1 liter mark. In this way, we can prepare 1 molar any solution or oxalic acid solution. In the third method, concentration of solution can be expressed in a molality. It is denoted by a small m. Molality can be defined as it is the number of moles of solute dissolved per 1000 gram, or we can say 1 kilogram of the solvent. It is denoted by small m. Mathematically, it can be represented molality small m is equal to moles of solute divided by weight of solvent in kilogram. For example, if we want to prepare a 1 molar solution of KCl, means that a 1 mole means 74.5 gram. It is a molecular weight of KCl, potassium chloride crystal. Therefore, we will take 74.5 gram of KCl and then it dissolved in 1 kilogram or 1000 gram of water. In this way, we can prepare a 1 molar solution of. In the fourth method, the name of method is mole fraction. The mole fraction can be defined as it is the ratio of number of moles of solute to that of sum of total moles of solute and solvent. मोल फ्रॅक्शन काय आहे? तो एक रेशो आहे कशाचा? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कशाचे? सोल्यूटचे कशासोबत? सम म्हणजे त्यांची बेरीज कशाची? सम ऑफ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ moles of solute and solvent. Mole fraction can be denoted by a symbol capital N or capital X. To understand this mole fraction concept, we take one example. Let us consider Na and Nb are the mole fractions of solute and solvent respectively. Then Wa and Wb are the masses or weight of solute and solvent respectively, and capital Ma and Mb is the molecular mass of solute and solvent respectively. Therefore, the number of moles of solute Na is equal to weight of solute in bracket Wa upon molecular weight of solute in bracket capital Ma. म्हणजेच आपण नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूटचं कसं काढू शकतो, जे काही वेट घेणार आहात ते डिवायडेड बाय त्याचं मॉलिक्युलर वेट, म्हणजेच ते असतील त्याचे नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कशाचे, सोल्यूटचे. इन दिस वे also we can calculate a number of moles of solvent small nb is equal to weight of solvent divided by molecular weight of solvent. तसंच आपण काय करू शकतो, नंतर तुमचे सॉल्व्हेंटचे पण नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. त्याचा फॉर्म्युला काय आहे, वेट ऑफ सॉल्व्हेंट डिवायडेड बाय मॉलिक्युलर वेट ऑफ दॅट सॉल्व्हेंट. On the basis of these data, we can calculate a mole fraction. Therefore, mole fraction of solute Na is equal to capital Na is equal to काय म्हणू शकतो आपण, is equal to Na upon Na plus Nb. आपण काय पाहिलं होतं डेफिनेशनमध्ये, मोल फ्रॅक्शन इज इक्वल टू काय आहे, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट म्हणजेच काय, Na डिवायडेड बाय अँड द सम ऑफ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट अँड सॉल्व्हेंट म्हणजेच Na प्लस Nb. इन दिस वे also we can calculate a mole fraction of solvent. Mole fraction of solvent capital Nb is equal to small nb means number of moles of solvent divided by small Na number of moles of solute plus small nb म्हणजेच number of moles of solvent divided by sum of number of moles of solute and solvent म्हणजे means total number of moles of solute and solvent. Therefore, the sum of mole fraction of solute and solvent is always 1. Therefore, we can write capital Na plus capital Nb is equal to 1. In the fifth method, the name of method is mass percentage W by W. Mass percentage can be defined as the mass percentage of component in a given solution is the mass of the component per 100 gram of the solution. म्हणजेच मास पर्सेंटेज मध्ये आपण काय पाहतो, म्हणजेच तुमच्या 100 ग्रॅम सोल्युशन मध्ये तुमच्या कंपोनंटचं, त्याला आपण काय म्हणू शकतो, सोल्यूट पण म्हणू शकतो, की त्याचं पर्सेंटेज, मास पर्सेंटेज किती आहे. दिस कॅन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड ॲज W by W or M by M. Mathematically, the mass percent of any substance can be calculated by using a formula. Mass percent of component is equal to mass of the component in a solution divided by total mass of the solution into 100. In this way, we can calculate mass percent of component. To understand this, let us consider Wa is the mass of component A and Wb is the mass of component B in a solution. Therefore, mass percent of component A is equal to Wa, mass of component A, divided by Wa plus Wb, means we can say total mass of the solution. टोटल मास ऑफ सोल्युशन म्हणजेच कशाचं वेट असणार आहे, तुमचं कंपोनंट प्लस सॉल्व्हेंटचं असणार आहे. त्यालाच आपण सम म्हणू शकतो. कशाची, WA and WB इंटू 100. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, अ 10% W/W solution of sodium chloride means that 10 gram of sodium chloride is present in 90 gram of water, so that the total mass of the solution is 100 gram. म्हणजेच जर तुम्हाला कोणी म्हणत असेल की 10% W/W सोल्युशन आहे कशाचं, सोडियम क्लोराईडचं, तर त्यामध्ये काय असणार आहे तुमचं 10 ग्रॅम हे सोडियम क्लोराईड प्रेझेंट असणार आहे आणि उर्वरित 90 ग्रॅम हे तुमचं काय असणार आहे, वॉटर असणार आहे. म्हणून त्याचं टोटल वेट किती असतं त्या सोल्युशनचं, हे 100 ग्रॅम. द कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन described by mass percentage are generally or commonly used in the industrial chemical applications. In the sixth type, the name of type is volume percentage. In case of liquid dissolved in another liquid, that time it is convenient to express the concentration in a volume percentage. The volume percentage can be defined as the volume of the component per 100 parts by volume of the solution. To understand this, if VA and VB are the volumes of two components, that is the A and B respectively in a solution, therefore volume percentage of A is equal to volume of A divided by volume of A plus volume of B into 100. To understand this, we take one example. 10% by volume of ethanol solution means that 10 ml of ethanol is dissolved in enough water so that the total volume of solution is 100 ml. म्हणजेच आपण काय म्हणू शकतो, जर तुम्हाला 10% इथेनॉल सोल्युशन बनवायचं असेल तर तुम्हाला काय करावं लागेल, त्याच्यासाठी 10 ml इथेनॉल घ्यावं लागेल आणि ते पुरेशा वॉटरमध्ये त्याला काय करावं लागेल, डिझॉल्व करावं लागेल, जेणेकरून तुमचं टोटल व्हॉल्यूम आहे सोल्युशनचं ते किती झालं पाहिजे, 100 ml. त्या टायमाला तुम्ही काय म्हणू शकता की ते 10% इथेनॉल व्हॉल्यूम बाय व्हॉल्यूम सोल्युशन आहे. इन दिस मेथड generally solution containing liquids are commonly expressed as a volume percentage. In the name of last type is mass by volume percentage. Sometimes we express the concentration as a weight by volume. बऱ्याच वेळेला आपण कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन हे कशात मेजर करत असतो, वेट बाय व्हॉल्यूम मध्ये मेजर करत असतो. Therefore it can be defined as it is the mass of solute dissolved in 100 ml of the solution. म्हणजेच मास बाय व्हॉल्यूम पर्सेंटेज कशाला म्हणतो, ते काय आहे, मास आहे सोल्यूटचं जे की 100 ml सोल्युशनमध्ये डिझॉल्व केलं जातं, त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, मास बाय व्हॉल्यूम पर्सेंटेज. द मास बाय व्हॉल्यूम पर्सेंटेज कॅन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड इन W by. This type of concentration measurement method commonly used in a medicine and pharmacy. For example, 10% of solution of sodium chloride means, जर कोणी म्हणत असेल 10% सोडियम क्लोराईडचं सोल्युशन आहे कशामध्ये, W/V, म्हणजेच त्याला काय म्हणू शकतो आपण, त्याला 10 ग्रॅम ऑफ सोडियम क्लोराईड डिझॉल्व इन 100 ml ऑफ सोल्युशन.